used to sit here was the 3005 building. The building got knocked down and taken down, I believe, in August of 2023. I think the reactor got packaged in September, and we just shipped the reactor in April, so it was like 7 months of basically lots of planning and coordination between UCOR and OREM to get to where we are now to get that reactor out of here.
It was a true integration between the characterization crew, the waste crew, and the operations crew, with engineering and hoisting and rigging support the entire way to work through the process of what can we do with the reactor, how can we disposition the reactor, what containers do we need to get it moved off site, and how do we work through that process.
We made contact with the Department of Transportation itself to say, hey, this is our plan, this is what we intend to do, and this is when we intend to do it. They got back with us with some good questions. We contacted back and forth, and it was a really good open discussion for how we can compliantly ship a full reactor vessel. It was pretty incredible.
It had very interesting radiological challenges, thus had very significant waste management, waste packaging challenges, which all get kind of put to bed today when that ships off.
People are putting the effort in to make sure they're doing it right. They're analyzing the hazards. We've got the right controls in place, and then they're working just hours to make sure we do it right.
It's always a milestone when you take a reactor down and you get it packaged and shipped off. We're working on the other ones at this point in time, getting them ready to do this in the future.
I think this would actually be very useful as like a laydown area. You'll see like that's a 3010 footprint over there. We're using that as a waste storage area to support 3042. So any additional space that we have to support our D&D projects is always valuable.
Moving into reactor decommissioning and hot cell decommissioning is different than what we've done in the past. So this gives us valuable experience as we move into this facility and then some of the even more hazardous facilities going forward to make sure we have the appropriate skills and preparedness to go in and do that work.